Hey friends, thanks for stopping by on today's launch of blogstatic and Product Hunt. I am Val. I am the founder, coder, marketer, everything in and around blogstatic. Blogstatic started in 2021. It was considered a side project for the longest time. And back 2 months ago in October, I decided to give it a one last go by rebranding it, changing the price to a yearly one of only $19. And since then, it has gotten a lot of traction, and I finally felt ready and confident enough to launch on Product Hunt. There's more in the comment below, the maker's comment below. And I'm going to go through blogstatic real quick just to show you around. And I invite you to register, create an account, create your blog or a few blogs, and start your newsletter with blogstatic. And if you have any questions, just say hi at blogstatic.io and I'll make sure to respond. So I'll just remove my face real quick from here. So this is the dashboard. The sidebar on the left is divided into two sort of areas. The blog area, which shows your posts, your categories, pages, and the newsletter area, which gives you stats, shows the credits you have available, etc. The drop down here gives you access to all the blogs you have available in blogstatic, and the settings area gives you all the customizations that you can make within a single blog. The most important one would be the advanced one, which allows you to inject code, select various options that you want or you don't want in your theme, create top menus, footer menus, etc. One thing I wanted to show you is if I go in here into editing this post, and I'll go to the actual blog where that post is shown, one thing that makes blogstatic stand out and different from every other editor or blogging platform is that your editing area matches exactly how the post will look like once it's published. So the theme that you have chosen, changes not only the actual blog, but also your editing area, which matches entirely to your post. So the font size, the line breaks, the images, everything matches how your post will look like once published. And that's why you have this sort of diagonal lines, diagonal dashes that go from one side to the other, just to sort of tell you that you're in editing mode. Because sometimes when I was writing, I couldn't tell if it's my blog I'm looking at or if it's the editor. And I would go into the actual post and try to edit, forgetting that this is the actual blog and this is the editing area. The post settings gives you a ton of options, from the simple ones like the date, the author's categories, to the more advanced ones like code injections, Twitter cards, metadata, etc. You can also email your posts right from the dashboard. So if I click on this one right here, I'll get a pop-up which gives me a few options on how to change the subject, which by default is picked up from the title, the preview text that shows before people open their email, and the custom message, which shows right above the entire email message that your user will get. You can also send a test newsletter to yourself before you send it to everybody else, and then once you're happy with it, you can confirm send, and then blogstatic will show you how many subscribers will this email be sent to. And if you're happy with it, you can send it as a newsletter. So yeah, this is blogstatic in a nutshell. I encourage you to visit the website where you have everything that you need to know, from pricing to features to my internet is really slow today in the co-working area I'm in. And you can find out more about it, the themes and all the options that you have. So yeah, thanks for stopping by again. Thank you for your support, and I hope to hear from you soon.